Namaste. Hamesha khush raho bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you food preservation by low temperature in principles of food preservation lab. Now let's start the topic. First of all, what is food preservation by low temperature? Food preservation by low temperature is a physical method of food preservation. Basically, lowering the storage temperature of the food will reduce or prevent spoilage by the microorganisms and or by the chemical reaction. Then methods of food preservation by low temperature. First of all, refrigeration. Temperatures typically in between 45 to 32 degree Fahrenheit. You can say 7.5 to 0 degree Celsius, and preferably it is below 38 degree Fahrenheit. Refrigeration or cold storage of food is a gentle method of food preservation. It has minimum adverse effects on the taste, texture, and the nutritional value of foods. It must be kept in mind, however, that refrigeration has a limited contribution towards preserving food. For most foods, we can expect refrigeration to extend the shelf life by a few days. In many cases, refrigeration is not the sole means of preserving the food. Refrigeration temperature is a key factor in predicting the length of the storage period. For example, meat will last 6 to 10 days at 0 degrees Celsius, 1 day at 22 degrees Celsius, and less than 1 day at 38 degrees Celsius. Household refrigerators are usually run at 4.7 to 7 degrees Celsius. Commercial refrigerators are operated at slightly lower temperature. On an average day, the room temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. So, the longer you leave food on the kitchen counter, the sooner it will spoil. Most spoilage microorganisms prefer warmer temperatures, but there are a group of microorganisms called psychrophilic, which will grow at refrigerated temperatures. Refrigeration and freezing are used on almost all foods, for example, meats, fruits, vegetables, beverages. In general, refrigeration has no effect on food's taste or texture. Freezing has no effect on the taste or texture of most meats, has minimal effects on vegetables, but often completely changes fruits which become mushy. Refrigeration's minimal effects account for its wide popularity. You can also preserve food by kept at home by keeping it in a refrigerator. Why do we see more new refrigerated foods entering in the marketplace than the other foods? First of all, consumer demand for high quality foods. Typically, less change in the quality of the food product by the refrigeration. It is convenient. Shorter cook times is required for the refrigerated food product. Changes in food distribution, buying habits, improved food distribution, improved processing techniques, aseptic processes, and gas storage. Next is chilling. Chilling is a processing technique in which the temperature of a food is reduced and kept at a temperature between -1 degree Celsius and 8 degrees Celsius. The objective of cooling and chilling is to reduce the rate of biochemical and microbiological changes in foods in order to extend the shelf life of fresh and processed foods or to maintain a certain temperature in a food process. For example, in the fermentation and treatment of the beer, cooling is also used to promote a change of state of aggregation, for example, crystallization. In the wine industry, cooling or chilling is applied to clarify the must before fermentation. The objective of cold stabilization is to obtain the precipitation of tartrates in the wines or fatty acids in spirits before bottling. Then the application are -1 degree Celsius to +1 degree Celsius for fresh meats, fish, sausages, ground meats, smoked meats, and fishes. The temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius is required for pasteurized canned meat, milk and milk products, prepared salads, baked goods, pizzas, unbaked dough, and pastry. 0 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius for fully cooked meats and fish pies, cooked or uncooked cured meats, butter, margarine, cheese, and chopped fruits. 8 degrees Celsius to 12 degrees Celsius in the wine industry. The must is kept at this temperature between 6 and 24 hours. Advantages of chilling are there is very little change in the flavor, color, texture, or shape. Fresh foods can be kept at maximum quality for a longer time. The consumer can be offered a much larger range of fresh and convenient foods, and nutrients are not destroyed. Material required for performing this experiment is different types of food products. For example, different vegetables, peas, potatoes, banana, cauliflower, and fruits. For example, banana, apples, and pears, and a refrigerator. First of all, we need to check the quality of the fruits and vegetable before kept in a refrigerator. So you can wash the fruits and vegetable, then packed it into the packaging material, for example LDPE, then put it in a refrigerator for a week or till its edible quality is maintained. Then check how much shelf life is increased by the refrigerator, or you must set a control for all the fruits and vegetable or all the samples. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.